Maddie, how do you feel about this next phase of the project?
I'm really excited about this phase. Probably the most excited.
We're Andy and Madeline. We quit our jobs to buy our very first investment property, a 100-year-old house that needed a lot of work. From falling down plaster to a deck that was just unsafe to stand on, this house needed it all. So make sure you stay tuned to follow along as we complete the Ozzy Overhaul.
Nice. Lemmy's cleaning the floors.
What are you doing right now? What do you want to do?
The demo never ends.
Why didn't you do that yet? You were up.
Karate master. Oh, man. That was two. Can she do 3?
I'm really excited about this phase. Probably the most excited because this wall definitely looks the worst. Like the whole kitchen area really looks the worst currently. And once it's covered up, I think the change that we feel is gonna be so dramatic because this is the first wall that you see when you walk in the front door. So I think it's gonna feel like real, good, earned progress. Now everyone say bye to this ugly wall.
Bye. Crazy. This thing has a mind of its own. We finished 2 walls in the kitchen. Looks so good. It takes time though. It's time consuming. Now we've got like 2 walls and the ceiling in here finished. Starting to see the vision now, even more.
What are we doing here?
Furring.
These sections where the plaster and lath has been removed, we have to add furring strips to because otherwise it's not the right depth. What's the word? Not flush. And then the drywall gets all rickety. Just another task to do.
Mudding today. We're filling up some of the big gaps right now in the drywall from sloppy cuts. So once we fill that up and it dries, it'll be ready for the first tape coat. And once I'm done filling these gaps, I'll start putting first tape coat on. First coat, baby, let's go. They're a little bit wet still. So you're not really supposed to put tape on them until they're totally dry. So we're gonna let it dry a little bit. But everywhere else where we have the joint, we're just gonna tape that right now. Mud, tape, scrape. Let's get working. That took me 9 minutes to do just this corner. We can do better than that. Got 1 wall done. About 20 walls to go.
We're having fun today, okay?
Maddie wants a little drywall.
I swear to God, if you do that.
Maddie told me that she can't stay because she doesn't want to help.
Well, I'm using the excuse of I have to volunteer in an hour and a half.
She signed up to volunteer after she told me she was gonna come by and help.
I definitely did do that. It's fine. One of my goals is to do like one volunteer event a month, and I haven't done one this month yet, so really I'm just trying to achieve my own goals.
My goal is to finish the house. I dropped a big glob on the floor.
Oh, you mean right there?
No, it was
That looks like a big glob, Andy.
I cleaned it up.
Oh.
I can't let Maddie see that.
Another big glob. All right, this is Madeline's drywall tools of the trade. Tricks of the trade that are tools that you want for when you're drywalling.
Okay.
My first tool of the trade that you need is, boom, mini scaffolding.
What?
Mini scaffolding. This thing is the best ever. Right, Andy?
So nice.
It's nice because you can move side to side and you can set stuff on it, and we use it as a bench sometimes or like as a table. It is beautiful.
Bottom of the bucket. On to the next one. First coat is on. Took me all day just to do the guest room because it is a lot of work, and usually you want to put like 3 or 4 coats on and sand in between, so it's okay though because first coat always takes the longest in my opinion. So Maddie bought the corner guards. I'll get those on tomorrow, and we will put probably first coat in the master bed tomorrow too. So that's a wrap.
I am mudding Maddie today, and that means I've been doing the drywall mud in the bathroom. Almost done with the first coat, except we can't do some of the corners because someone hung it where there's big gaps in between the sheets of drywall, and you have to fill those with just really thick mud and let it set.
Who did that?
Like up there. It just falls through behind the drywall, so I was like, well, I'll get it as good as I can and leave it.
Yikes. We are standing in the living room. A lot of the drywall has been finished. Actually, most of it has the first coat and tape. This is what I worked on yesterday. We also have all the corner guards up now. That needs first coat of mud. And we're kind of getting into some miscellaneous jobs here. I need to mud the corner guards, but I also need to do some demo on this wall to put a door here. This room, that's gonna be a bathroom, needs a drop ceiling. These vents need to be moved. So that all needs to happen before we can drywall. So there's a lot of miscellaneous stuff going on. But I'll just take some shots here, show you what it looks like in its current state. we go again. We got to get them all the way from up this shelf.
Oh, my tiptoes.
Reach up there, Maddie. And they're real heavy. Oh, muscle man.
Get up here.
Push. Back at it again. This is hopefully the last load of drywall that we have to transport.
Did you see my nostril?
Success. See you tomorrow for some drywall install.
Welcome back. We're still hanging drywall, but there's only 2 walls left in the big room.
All right, just me today, hanging drywall. Not seen this wall hung yet, so we're about to surprise her.
Oh my gosh. It feels so different. It's starting to look like a real place. This is how I feel. All of them.
Yep.
I think she's a bit shocked for words. I think it's a good reaction overall.
So while Maddie starts mudding the rest of this wall, I'm going to be installing the J boxes.